That wraps us up. We've got a few more things. We've got a poem to read, and Charla's going to say a few things. So, Charla, come on up.
All right, thank you all. And thank you for everyone who dropped some index cards in the bowl outside. What I'll read is a found poem. So these are your words that you've shared with us over the past couple days. We're inspired by Juneau poet Nami, who shared a found poem at the recent Foraker Leadership Summit. And this inspired our style today. So these are your words. Look with new eyes. Would that I was a kittiwake, blurring the lines between earth, sea, and sky. Approach the plants with good energy. Beach walk every day if you can. Stunning sea star. My happy place, Prince William Sound, where science meets service. 17-mile dreaming, birds are the fish of the sky. Wind in my hair. Every time you take a little bit of wilderness away, you can't get it back. You might remember a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Think about what your core message is. Community of learning, of stewardship, of support, for anyone to get involved. Connection. Bring it back to the stories. I'm playing slide roulette. Organic. Selflessness, regionally impactful, resilient people. Drifting peacefully. Blizzard, snow, slush, rain, flowing water, green, my happy place. Move first, glorious. Life, sun. Spruce hemlock forest, heart. Wilderness. We steward this magical place we love. Let's find out together. Thanks, everyone. Right, and thank you all for staying till the end of the day. It really takes a village to pull this off every year, and now in our 7th year, it's amazing. So thanks to you, you're our why. There's so many places that you could be today and yesterday, and you chose to spend the time with us, and we're so grateful for that. We're thankful to the speakers and the many organizations that they represent. Thank you to our volunteers who've made so much happen over these past couple of days, the months and planning that go into this. Thanks to our volunteer board of directors, many of whom are in the room right now. And thank you to the planning committee and the partnerships that they represent. Hours and hours of staff time, especially from Prince William Sound Regional Citizens Advisory Council and from Chugach National Forest, especially to the Wilderness Program, to Tim and Barbara and Ellen. This is a really challenging time for our federal partners, and we're so thankful now and always for their ongoing partnership. We're thankful to our sponsors, as you've heard their names throughout the day, the Exxon Valdez Oil Spill Trustee Council, the Oil Spill Recovery Institute at the Prince William Sound Science Center, the Prince William Sound Regional Citizens Advisory Council, and Chugach Alaska Corporation. Thanks to the City of Whittier and to Chugach Schools for their hospitality for this amazing space where we get to gather together every year. Thank you to the Stewardship Foundation Chugach Mountain Level sponsors. That includes Stan Stevens, Glacier and Wildlife Cruises, Drifters Fish, Glacier Jet Ski Adventures, Discovery Voyages, Midnight Sun Brewing Company, Alpine Air, VS Helicopters, Colony Builders, Rio Tinto, Lazy Otter Charters, and the cafe as well for last night's wonderful coffee and tea. Thanks to William Melton Media Productions and for his work with Tyler on this production and the video editing. You can keep an eye out for the videos in the next couple weeks. Thanks to Babkin Charters, Prince William Sound Books, and our many business sponsors. Also, thank you to the businesses who sponsored our silent auction today. If you participated in that, check just after this to see if you won. And that includes CERC, Chugach Regional Resources Commission, the Alaska Wildlife Conservation Center, Alyeska Nordic Spa, Yoga Currents, Alaska Sea Kayakers, Alaska Creative Concepts, and Lazy Otter Cafe. Thank you to the Anchor Inn for their hospitality, for Oceanfront Cafe and Rudy for his amazing tacos last night for the social. Thanks to Wildcat Cafe for lunch, to the Dugan family for supporting the social and lunch, and thanks to the many individual donors, now around 100 strong. So thanks everyone, it really takes a village. And we are membership driven, so really excited to see some new members today, and thank you to the members who've been with us over the years as well. This is an interesting and challenging time for those of us in environmental work for nonprofits and government agencies. And as a small nonprofit with lots of amazing partners, we really appreciate your support. And we ask you to share your stories. Did you learn something interesting this week? Did you meet someone new? Did you think about something differently? Tell folks about it. If that's online, if that's in person, the shortest distance between two people is a story. And as we heard from Kim Asplund and many other speakers over the past 2 days, stories connect us and stories matter. So we'll see you for more stories for the latest news and research from around Prince William Sound, May 11th and 12th in 2026. So have a healthy, clean, and wild summer, and Paul will wrap us up.
I can't top that. And thank you, Charla, for all her work. So give her a big round of applause. That wraps us up for 2025. Go out and have a great summer and enjoy Prince William Sound.